In this video, we are going to see that if you want to factory reset Google Chrome browser due to whatever problem you are facing, here's the simple steps for it. So first of all, just open up the Google Chrome. On the right hand side, you can get these three dots and you want to head over to settings from the bottom. And once we are in here, you need to click on reset settings that you find on your left in the menu. Click on restore settings to their original defaults. The benefit of this is it will not remove any history, bookmark and save passwords. So that's very nice. It only removes or disable the extensions, cookies and temporary site data, which is mainly causing the issues. So hopefully all the issues are resolved after that. Click on reset settings and just close and relaunch the Google Chrome, and then you will experience much better performance of Google Chrome. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.